Once again, you might have the need to share with your students something from a camera, something on your desktop that you need to draw out, need to notate that just doesn't make sense on PowerPoint or another device. You could show them on your main webcam, this guy right here, but this is a way that you can do it using a secondary webcam. So I have another one right here, ready to go. So I have two webcams plugged into my computer. And this one, I'm going to, once again, rest on top of this big bin buoyed up by the Book of Common Prayer. And it's facing, staring at my document that I want to share right here. And now, this is what I'm going to do that's special this time. I'm going to go down to Share Screen. And I'm going to go to the Advanced tab up here. And this time I'm going to click on Content from Second Camera. And now I am sharing my secondary camera right here. Once again, I can hit stop. And this is going to see my pen right here. And I can, once again, draw my little house. Bum, 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 bum. There we go. And my students will see the content being drawn, being notated right there. That's simple.